Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a SOCIALCLUB.DLL error. So when you encounter this error when you try to play a Rockstar game, for example LA Noire, so here I find solution from steamcommunity.com. So for those having the Social Club Dynamic Link Library file error when trying to run LA Noire, you can try this method. You can go into your LNR folder and look for Steam apps if you install via Steams. Look for your installation folder LNR, then third folder. In this folder, you will find execute file titled SOCIALCLUB.setup.exe. Just install that and your SOCIALCLUB.dynamic link library error will disappear and the game will work fine. So here, if you get this message when you try to execute the setup, a newer version 1.0.6.6 installed for Rockstar Game Social Club exiting installation. So you can trick your PC into thinking Rockstar Social Club is not installed. So you can open Regedit or registry editor, click it, and then here you can try to access HKey local machine software, then WoW6432 node, then you have to find Rockstar Games, then Rockstar Social Club, then try to rerun. You can delete this folder on our registry editor, so you can find Rockstar in here, and then try to rerun the Social Club setup exe that found in a third folder before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.